The Magical Love Locket. In a small village, there was a girl named Emma. She loved exploring and dreaming about exciting things. One day, while cleaning her attic, she found an old locket with a heart on it. When she opened it, she felt a warm light surround her. Suddenly, she found herself in a beautiful garden, surrounded by flowers and moonlight. A boy named Liam was standing there, looking surprised but happy to see her. Emma and Liam began to talk, and they felt like they had known each other forever. Liam told Emma about a love story from the past. He had loved a girl named Mia, but their families didn't want them to be together. They used to meet secretly in the same garden where Emma now stood. Emma realized that the locket had brought her to Liam's time, and their hearts were connected. They decided to find out more about Mia and Liam's love story. They followed clues that led them to old letters and hidden places. With each clue they found, Emma and Liam's feelings for each other grew stronger. They knew they were meant to be together, just like Mia and Liam from the past. After a lot of searching, they found a missing piece of the locket, a picture of Mia and Liam, smiling together. The locket glowed brighter, and they felt the magic of love all around them. Suddenly, Emma found herself back in her own time, holding the locket in her hand. She knew that her love for Liam was real, even though he was from the past. The locket was a reminder of their special connection that crossed time. And so, in the village, Emma's heart held a secret, a love story that traveled through time, told by a magical locket and two hearts that found each other in the most mysterious way. Conclusion. In this simple love story, Emma discovers an old locket that takes her on a magical journey to the past. She meets Liam and learns about a love story that happened long ago. Through their adventure, Emma and Liam find a love that is as strong as the locket's magic, proving that love can connect hearts even across time.